All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. And I consistently say the same thing over and over again in regards to what is happening to me right now. Let me check the mic. In regards to the shadow ban. So basically, if anyone didn't know, shadow ban is something like where YouTube limit the amount of persons that they send out the video to due to the fact that you were reported on numerous occasions. So that is what happened to me. So I'm basically in YouTube prison. Basically something like that. So, but you guys can assist me and by freeing me in regards to hitting the like button and also sharing the content. That is actually the best way you guys can free. So I have some news to pass on today. Is actually a reggae boy. He made a few appearances for the first team. Chavany Willis, he has made a move now. I'll be getting to the details of that and also some aspect of the deal. And most of you guys probably share the same sentiments as most of you guys, but we have to come to some form of understanding of why some of the time these deals have to go over the line. But what I want you guys to do, help me out with the YouTube prison situation by hitting that like button and also hitting that subscribe button, because that is the only way I can see freedom. But in the same sense, people, I'll see you guys in the same sense. I'm supposed to see you guys. We're going to start off the show now, people. So let's go. Rambling on for a longest time. Let us go. From here. All right, so Chavany Willis has made a move to the team, USL1 team, Union Omaha. We're going to get into the details of that. So let me show it to you guys. But in the meantime, as I said, don't be afraid, people, to do that nice thing in which allows the channel to grow. That is this nice thing right here. Hitting that subscribe button. Yes. So going to bring up the details of the... Let's get into it. So we're gonna run through it and read through it so that you guys can get an understanding of what happened. Now, there's some particular aspect of this that I like in regards to what happened. I did mention a few things already. So this is the title: Union Omaha, Union Omaha signs Jamaican national team midfielder Chavany Willis. USL Championship veteran has 7 caps from the Jamaica national team. Papillion, and that's the name of the article. The Union Omaha announced today signing USL Championship veteran and Jamaican national team player Chavany Willis. Pending league and federation approval, Willis is the club's first player acquisition in the international transfer market. So Willis spent the majority of his career playing for Jamaican National Premier League giant Portmore United before being loaned out to USL Championship member Philadelphia Union in Philadelphia Union 2 in 2019. Upon completion of the 2019 season, Willis returned to Jamaican National Premier League, where he was discovered by Union Omaha assistant coach Bobby Murphy while playing for Arnett Garden. During my trip, this is what Bobby Murphy said. During my trip to Jamaica, I saw a lot of talent on the island, said Murphy. I immediately recognized that Chavany stood out, and then the more I watched him over the course of the match, I thought he'd be a great fit for our style and our club. After speaking with him, I recognized his humility and desire for success. I'm excited to see him succeed this season. Now, that aspect of him, the desire that he has, that aspect of his desire, the hunger for success, I think that is a natural Jamaican thing. Most of the Jamaican players are really hungry to get that exposure, to get that level of success that they're yearning for. As you know, mentioned by a lot of the top players right across, it's all about the exposure and the opportunity. Many times we have heard players saying the same thing, that the opportunity was the biggest factor in accordance to where they are. So let's read further and less of me rambling. Let's read further and less of me rambling. So we recognize a need on our roster, and Bobby went and found that player in Jamaica, said Union Omaha General Manager Peter Marlette. Chavany is a full Jamaican international, and we were thrilled to reach an agreement with Arnett Garden to get him here to Omaha. I'm very excited to join a great club, said Willis. I look forward to the season and helping to bring more success to this club. So these are his attributes in regards to phonetic pronunciation of his name, Chavany Willis, position midfielder. We all know, central midfielder, box to box. Height 6'1". I didn't know it was that tall. Weight 161 pound. Born in Kingston, hometown Trenchtown. So let's look at this. The 2022 League One Championship defending champion campaign is set to begin on April 9th with a visit to the Forward Madison FC home opener. So the good part about it is that he's going into a winning team. More than likely, the winning mentality is already instilled in that team. Time will come when we'll know. So he's another player that we need to keep track on and to see his progress. Yes, many people don't even like talking about the players that are playing at this level, but definitely we have to cover every single player as best as possible. I do apologize for that. We have to cover every single player because every single player they're working. Every player is working. Every player is putting their 100%, and I do think that everyone deserves the due recognition just the same. But I definitely won't go any further. I've been here rambling on for the longest while. As I said, people, I really want you guys to help me out with the YouTube issue in regards to the YouTube jail that I'm in by smashing that like button and also hitting the subscribe button if you haven't done so as yet, and more so, share the content, let a few more people see it so that the content can go, because I really need to come out of this YouTube jail. I've been here for a long time now, and it's getting frustrated. But that's how it is. That's how it is when you're in the YouTube world. You will find that obviously people have been reporting my video. As I said earlier, I'm not using any language, different language of defamation. I'm not using any of those. I'm not using illicit terms as well. So I don't know what the situation is. Has to be someone who's just, I don't know. But that's a part of it, people. In the meantime, people, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. People, hit that subscribe button. It is very important that you do so. Hitting that subscribe button. Very important that you do so. And we'll see you guys again. Until next time, Military Guna TV, people. And we are out.